So what's up guys, now we are gonna draw a skeleton. I'm drawing it on a tablet. As you all know, I usually draw on a tablet on my iPad because it is easy for me to draw, right? I will talk about rest of the things later on. Drawing a skeleton is easy if you are a beginner or a small kid or anyone. You can draw following these methods. Let's start the video. Alright guys, so firstly we will draw a circle like this. It should not be 100% proper circle, right? Then below that circle we will draw a kind of rectangle or square, you can say, right? You can see it in this video, right? Then we will draw a vertical line like this, and then a horizontal line like this. In the center we will draw two circles that will be the eyes of our skeleton, and a small triangle like this. This will be the nose of our skeleton, right? Then we will shape it a little. The reference pic is already attached in the video description, so you can download it and you can practice drawing this skeleton. I am also looking into that reference pic and drawing this skeleton. Now I'm shaping it a little according to the reference picture, right? Our basic the skeleton of a skull is ready. Skeleton of skull, wow. Right now I'm putting the mouth and drawing the mouth of this skeleton like this into the video. You can see it is somewhere around on the edge of that rectangle that I have drawn, right? Now I am doing a bit of shading thing, drawing things precisely according to the reference picture. You can see the reference picture, you can see in this video as well. I have attached it. You can see it on the top left of this video. Now I'm detailing the nose a little, and don't worry, as I am gonna detail this skeleton properly so that you get the final product, and trust me guys, it will be really realistic. Wow, what am I saying, right? All right, so you can see I'm altering the shapes a little according to the picture, right? And you can do it easily if you are a beginner or a small kid. Like I already mentioned in the beginning of this video, it is very easy. Now I'm going to detail it properly, and I will do it in a fast forward manner now. So here we go. Now you can see I am using the darkness of the pencil accordingly. Wherever it is dark, I'm using the dark pencil. Wherever it is light, I'm doing the light shading. Currently I'm working on the dark thing. Now you can see I'm working on the eyes, shading the eyes a little and shading the rest of the part lightly of this particular skull. You can see wherever it is darkness, I'm using a little darker pencil. I'm sorry for my English is not that good, but I hope I'm able to make you guys understand. You can see I'm doing the dark thing, and you will notice then slowly and gradually the realism of this sketch is coming out. Now I'm working on the teeth. You can see, right, teeth which usually a skeleton a skull or a skeleton does not have, but here in this picture we can see a bit of teeth of this skull. So I'm drawing it, and I'm erasing the stuff using, I'm highlighting the stuff according to the picture. You can see doing the shading thing again on the chin part of the skull, doing the darkening thing accordingly to the picture. You can see a skull is coming out properly, and it is kind of very satisfying to see in this picture. Of course I have drawn it, and currently it is fast mode. It is a time-lapse kind of thing that I am doing it because the video is going a little faster, right? You can see a bit of cracks that I have drawn, and now I am erasing a little bit of lines that are outside of the skull. And now our skull is almost ready. It is almost, you can say 99% of the thing is almost ready. And yeah, I'm erasing a little highlighting on the nose, you can see now, and our skull is 100% ready now. I hope guys you like this video. Your like matters a lot. Please share it with your friends. Subscribe if you're not. See you in the next video. Thank you so much.